how to change your username or login info on the US Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to change your US Bank login info or username, well in this video I'll guide you through the exact steps to do it securely. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser and now here once inside the web browser, you can just click on the search bar at the top and from here you can simply search for US Bank. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, once you're in the section, you can just click on login button and after that you'll be prompted to the login screen. And here you can just click on the option that says forget username or password. Or you can simply log in with your current personal ID and password. And here after logging in, you can just click on the customer service at the top of the screen. And now here, once you click on it in the drop down, you can just click on my profile and this will take you to the personal account settings. Now there you can simply scroll down to the login preferences and click edit next to your personal ID and password, and after that you can simply enter your new login ID and confirm your current password and save the changes. And US Bank may send you security code for verification, so click save once you're done and you will see a confirmation that your login info was successfully updated. And that's it. That's how you can update your US Bank username or login info in just a few clicks. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.